welcome to Cooking with Princess and Anna. My name is Princess and this is Anna. Today we are gonna make easy, simple pancakes. Let's go through the ingredients. So we will need 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of egg, 1 cup of milk, and then 1 egg, and then some butter. First, we need to add the flour to the bowl. Now we're gonna have to add the egg. Now we're gonna add this. Anna, what's this? We're gonna add the milk to the bowl. Now we're gonna stir it. Anna, do you wanna stir it? Sure. Into a smooth mixture.
Together this.
Okay. You're gonna have to stir that a little bit faster.
That?
Not yet. Okay, Anna?
Do you need the help?
Now you're gonna have to grab your hot plate. Now we're gonna have to add butter. To the hot plate. Spread it on the hot plate until you think it's enough. Now we're gonna get our spoon and rub. Now you can flip them. Yeah, we make it to see what comes with the pancakes.
It's the tiny one.
I'm going to turn down the heat. Keep going until you see that they are golden brown. Then you can take them to the plate.
Hey, they're making pancakes.
Yeah. Can you see it? Do you see the pancakes?
I didn't see the packaging. I need the water. I need the water.
Okay. It should be around this color. Then you can take them to your plate. Thanks.
Started.
Dad,
Yep, I'm just packing. Yeah, that one's done.
that done?
I'll see. I don't know yet. No, that one looks done. But it will be done.
Done.
Let's see this one.
Done.
That one's done. How many do you have on a plate?
One,
Yeah.
two,
No. 1, 2.
three, and five.
Yep, there's 5 on the plate. 5 more. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 more.
No, 5 more.
9. Why do you think there's 5?
That's 5. That's 9. Let's see
Do you
that
like
one.
pancakes?
I like pancakes. I want to eat them.
Yeah.
It tastes very good.
Yeah.
We have tried to give the butter on it. That
Yep, that one got a little bit. Back to the stick to get it.
that one is flip it down.
Let's see.
See that.
Yep, that one's good. Yep, that one. Got it? Now we got, how many do we have left?
1,
Yeah,
2,
yeah.
3, 4, 5.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 more pancakes. This one we already done. Oh, no, it wasn't. I think it's okay.
Don't not burn. I burnt my eye. Oh, burnt my eye.
Did it? Why you laughing?
I'm gonna burn myself with them.
Yeah, don't burn yourself. Because then it will hurt. And it will just really hurt, okay? So that brings. And flip. And flip. That one got it. And so we're going to catch it. And then flip. Up. Flip.
I want to cut it.
No, you can't touch it, otherwise it will burn you.
I don't want to. Because it's not burnt. Just move it. Just move it. What's that sound?
Oh, I'm just pressing it, so it's making a sound. So now we're almost done. How many do you have left?
1,
Yeah.
2,
And
3.
yep, we got 3 left. You're gonna keep on flipping it until you see it's finished. And how you know how it's finished is that it'll look golden brown.
See?
As you can see, all these ones here, a bit golden brown except the ones that have
Have we
the
done
black
it?
spots on them.
We stop it.
It won't be hot.
Look, it's not hot.
What? Then what is it? Is it warm?
Yeah.
It's warm.
See, it's warm. Yep, it's warm. Mommy. Oops. Mommy, flip it on.
She is gone. Anyway,
Oh, whoa.
yeah, that one came off it.
Well, can eat it. No, can come off.
Yeah,
See, like a sound. It bites.
yeah, you can bite it after that's finished.
Huh? Just be a glowing. Yeah, it's funny.
I know you know.
Say hey, Peter.
Daddy, Daddy, it's coming from the backyard.
Yeah.
Where's this mommy?
I don't know. turn off the heat.
Oh, done.
Now keep on going until the batter is finished. Look, we made pancakes. You want to try it? Let's try some. Yeah, this one. It's yummy? Yummy in your tummy? Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Bye!